Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create equalizer preset for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Opera05. You have to start by open SOUNDPEATS application. If you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have, this one. Right here you need to click at the equalizer icon at the left bottom. And then you need to select equalizer preset. But I don't recommend it to click at the left side before we change it, because you will see now that it happened. But it will fix next when we just make something. Now. Okay, so we go to the equalizer and right here click at the right side. Here's equalizer, here's custom preset. Now make something good for you. Let's say I wanna make something like this. And after you finish, just go back. And as you can see, we just select custom preset, and if we will swap on it, now this application not crashed. But if you don't like what you made, you don't like this preset, you can click at the reset button at the right top, and you have it by default, and now you can again change it on something else. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!